everyone, this is Compost Chicken Queens Plus, and in this case, plus another Poshmark unboxing. We do not have our key, our favorite key to our favorite lock at the moment. Can't be bothered to go get it, honestly. And so we're just going to be extra careful not to cut anything that shouldn't be cut with this kitchen knife. And we will... This is our third parcel that was at the post office waiting for us. Oh, another lovely and very thoughtful seller who put everything in plastic under the cardboard in a recycled box. Love it. And, ooh, I got really close. See what I'm talking about? Not so cool. Anyway, very cool. We will start with this item. Thank you. Yes, thank you, seller. You're sweet. And I wonder if this seller actually buys these as parceling things, because these were not in packages when I bought them. They were out on display in their it's called closets. I'm gonna put this down while I cut it open. Try to do it nicely so I can actually use the package again, because why not? I'm going to cut my items open, cut the fabric liner. There we go. This is a jacket I got. It smells like laundry detergent. Very cute. It is lined, I believe, with faux fleece. Zipper's nice. I love metal zippers. They usually don't break as quickly. And they're smoother generally, except when they're not. Then they're more of a pain in the ass. Yeah, nice. My son is getting to the point where he could almost wear this, although I think it's a woman's coat. A little bit of distressing on the sleeve, which just gives it character as far as I'm concerned. And what size is this? I can't remember, but let's see. 100% cotton. Not into synthetics if possible. Although there is a place for everything. Like, synthetics are good for situations where they're going to get wet and you don't want them to get mildewy if you don't have the option of things like hemp, which does not mind getting wet or even staying wet. It's mold and mildew resistant. Wool is likewise mold and mildew resistant. I think what's the sheep going to do if they get moldy, if their coat gets moldy or bacterial laden, because they could get very sick and die if it gets into their skin or their mouths or eyes. This is for my aunt. Oh, she's going to love this if it's not too long for her. It's a cute little nightie. It's fleecy, excuse me, like jogging suit material. See? And they didn't take the tag out for what it is. It feels like cotton, or at least mostly cotton. And she might not like it because it's too long. It might be too long. Let's see if there's a tag in here. I think the tag was removed at the under that one. Too bad. I'm really annoyed when people do that, except when the ones that are kind of really plasticky and they're at your neck or somewhere. You can't avoid getting like chafed by it. So let's see. I'm going to hold it up to myself. Let's see how long it is. Oh boy, that's going to go down to her like ankles. She might not like that. I may have just inherited one. Although I could maybe persuade her to wear it anyway. It's not going to kill her, likely. To wear something that's longer than her thigh. And here's another one I need to open with the knife carefully. Yeah. Thank you, seller. It's very nice of you to put everything in plastic bags. So good. I know I'm repeating myself in the last video, but it's really, 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 really appreciated when the sellers take the time to put everything in plastic inside the box, because it protects it from the elements should they get stuck in a puddle or left out in the rain, such as what could easily have happened here, as one of these parcels was left out for 3 days on my picnic table. I asked to have it put by the door, but I guess they didn't read that part. So, oh well. Anyways, this is for my aunt. That will fit her. It's nice and soft as well, which she'll appreciate. Smells nice. And here we go, another one. Sorry, spending too much time on my lap. Maybe I'll open a couple of them. Yeah. Another one. And another. Thank you. I appreciate that. These are what do you call that? Zumba, yeah. Zumba pants. These are for my aunt, and if she doesn't like them, I'll probably wear them. Very fun. Might be a bit on the long side. I don't know. I could hem them for her if they're if she's too short. They'll definitely go over her waist though, and her hips. Smells good. No, I was going to do more than one opening at the same time. Let's see. This one is for my friend who has been quite helpful to me over time, and I decided to thank him when I spotted this. It's actually a woman's shirt, technically, I think, but it will definitely fit him. He loves Doctor Who, and this is a really cool shirt. It's not cotton, it's more of a synthetic, like polyester or something, but I don't think he'll care. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, this is really cool. I do like Doctor Who myself, though I don't follow it at all religiously. But I think he'll appreciate it. Yeah, definitely fit him. Not a problem. And these ones are actually easier to open. They have that sticky edge instead of being most melted together. So for ID, the seller decided to do a bunch of different methods. Thank you again, yes, and I will try to keep that one nice because I can reuse it. And this is a t-shirt, which my aunt might be